vacation, all I ever want.
You guys, I'm so excited. I just got one of the suitcases out. I'm going to go get the other one because I'm packing for our spring break vacation, going on the kids' first cruise. We're doing Florida for 2 days before, and then it's a 4-day cruise, so we're there for 6 days total. But today's video, I'm gonna be packing, so you get to pack with me. I'll show you how I outfit plan when we go on trips like this for everybody. I have just a lot of kind of cleaning around the house to get the house ready for going on vacation. So I hope that you get lots of motivation in today's video. Make sure you're subscribed if you're new. I had a couple of things that I needed to wash before the trip, so throwing those into the laundry.
What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers. Don't care what other people say. We live it like this could be a final.
All right, just got Hayden down for his nap, and I wanted to show on my computer, if it doesn't have a weird glare, I'll probably put this over the screen, just sort of the method to my madness when it comes to how I plan outfits for vacations. Because if you're like me, I'm a very visual person, so it really helps me when I see everything laid out. It's kind of almost my checklist then of what am I forgetting, what do I still need, what's something that I still need to go grab from the store or order online or get out of the kids' closets. It just helps me so much to see everything laid out like this. So every vacation, every holiday, I have Google Docs where I lay everything out for me to be able to see visually, and I go day by day. So what is our airplane outfit? What are we needing for that activity that we're doing that day? What do we need for dinner that night? Pajamas, all that kind of stuff. So when we get to Florida, I just need beach, bathing suit, pool type outfits for during the day, dinner outfits for at night. So this is what I planned. And then when we get on the cruise, there are some different themed nights for dinner. So we'll obviously be using the pool on the cruise. I'm sure the kids are gonna wanna be in the pool majority of the time. Every stop, we're going to the Bahamas and Coco Cay, which is going to be the beach. So daytime bathing suit outfits, nighttime though, the first night there's a like casual cruise attire, it said. The second night is a formal night. The third night is tropical night. And then we need another, you know, fly home kind of airplane outfit. But if there's anything that you have advice-wise for going on cruises, because I feel like so many people, it has been a really long time since I've gone on a cruise. The last cruise I went on was right after Adam and I were engaged. So it has been a very, very long time. I'm like thinking back on it, like that was at least, it was over 10 years ago. It would have been like 11-ish years ago when we got engaged, so a while. So if there's any helpful advice you have, especially for cruising with kids, maybe leave that down in the comments below. But all right, let's get packing, and I am hoping there's a couple of things I wanted to try on that I ordered that I'm just gonna pray that this all works because we leave in 2 days. Okay, the Post-it notes are out. I always lay these down when I start laying out my clothes on the floor, so here we go. And when I lay out my clothes, I lay out everything. I'm talking undergarments, the shoes, the jewelry, the sunglasses, the hats, the purse, the accessories, so that I make sure I have everything that I need for every single outfit.
We come alive in the nighttime. Something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. We come alive. We come alive. What's your weakness? What's your type? Somehow I wanna know all about you. Deep connection lights a spark. Like you already know me when we dance in the dark. We're dreamers. We live it. We're dreamers. We're doing this in our way. We come alive in the nighttime. Something about come alive in the nighttime. Something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. Oh, we come alive. Yeah, we come alive. Oh, we come alive.
Okay, making some major progress here. I have a couple things I just had to throw in the wash though, so I'm not putting anything in a suitcase until I have those things and I'm like assured I have everything. But I want to just try on a couple, like step on the stuff, the new pieces I got. I like love this little cover up. It was from Target, but I think it's technically by Cupshe. It was just like Target was selling it, but I love this cover up. Okay, and this suit is from Target. It is so pretty. It has like, if you see like little like flowered details in it, but there's like matching bottoms to it. But I love these cover up pants. I already have one pair of them and I don't know what happened to them, but I had to get another one because these are like my favorite cover up pants. And here's one more outfit. I got this one for dinner because I figured for, well, we were in Florida and also in like a few weeks, the end of April, I'm going to Stagecoach in Palm Springs, so I'll need some like outfits like the first night we get there for dinner. I was like thinking, is there pockets? There's not pockets in this. I was reaching my hand for it, but I like, it's like a little two-piece set. I feel like that's fun colors too. You, what's mama doing? Say packing for the cruise. Okay, come here. You just wake up, you sleepy? Sleepy face. You excited to go on the cruise? The big boat? You wanna go on the big boat? I think he's still tired from his nap. I love you. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. We're fun with you.
I like the Mickey Castle.
Mickey's Castle. Oh my god. Okay, so for the cruise dinner night, like the casual cruise dinner night, I got two different like navy colored outfits just because they matched really well with what the kids had. And look at these earrings I found. Aren't those so cute for the cruise? But this is the first outfit. Hayden, you wanna tell me which outfit I should wear? This is outfit number 1. All right, and then this is the second option. Both of these were Amazon sets. They come in a ton of colors, but obviously I just wanted the navy because of matching the kids. But would you wear the first one, like the skirt, or do you like the pants and this, you know, tank? I don't know why I'm wiggling. Whoop, whoop, whoop. And one really fast travel tip that I have, because I used to travel for work all of the time. And the biggest thing you should do, stick to an airline if you can, like stick to a certain airline, because then you're gonna build up rewards points. So what I've ended up getting with United, just from flying so much and always picking United basically, is I get a free, I think it's 2 free checked bags. And basically when I get to check in, I can do upgrades for free. So like that 24 hours when you go to check in, I can usually always get a much better seat, sometimes bumped up to first class, but usually I can at least get in one of like the roomier leg room type seats for us, which is really, really nice. So I just thought of that because I was about to rip the tag off of this and I was like, ooh, I should explain, you know, especially if you have a lot of travel for work, like always try to fly in the airline for work. And then when you know, book your personal travel, you get all of the perks then still from being, you know, registered with that airline. But that's just something I've always done since traveling now for, again, like over a decade for work pretty regularly, and it just always kind of helps make everything less expensive and you get a lot of perks. All right, that load of laundry is finished, so it's time to change out loads and do some folding. So if you've got some laundry to do it with me today.
Laying around without a clue, on the edge, cleaning out. With us it's all or nothing. Oh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. With us it's all or nothing. Oh, but guess I need more of you.
time. Where'd Hayden go? Oh, there he is. Goofball.
Had to convince my friends this time. Think you're toxic to my mind, but I know they don't know what you're all about. The way you hold my body tight, staying up talking through the night. Yeah, I know they just don't. With us it's all or nothing. Oh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. I need more of. With us it's all or nothing. Oh, but guess I need more of you. Why don't you stay? Why don't we talk about this? Why don't you stay? Why don't we talk?
All right, dinner time. Kind of made the kids just a kid dinner. Pasta and veggies, and trying to use up all the fresh fruit that I have before we go on this trip. And then I'm having some of my leftover marsala meatloaf, and some of the veggies too.
Is great. God is good. Let us thank Him for our food. Amen.
We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. Don't know if I can decipher how your mind works.
After dinner, I had to do the dishes and clean up the kitchen, of course, but I also had a bunch of Easter bags that the kids had gotten that needed to get cleaned up and sorted and organized too.
You give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more. You leave me hanging, begging for more. Think that I'm addicted to this, can't resist to be a little risky and go for it, cause I want you close. I'm so exposed when you're keeping me wondering. You know I'd do anything to be in your arms again. So give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more talking to you, and here we go again. Staying up all night to see if you've been texting me. Where do we go from here? I wanna go all in. So give me a sign. Give me a sign. I just wanna let you know I could go for this, no more tricks. We could take things slow. Say you think about it too. When the lights go out and there's no doubt that I should be with, that I should be. We've been on and off again and again.
And time to tackle that last load of laundry for the day.
Control you, push me then you pull me back in. We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me then you pull me back in. So give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh baby, just give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more talking to you, and here we go again. Staying up all night to see if you've been texting me. Where do we go from here? I wanna go all in. So give me a sign. Yeah, give me a sign. Give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Give me a sign.
up. So I use packing cubes for everything, and I will link the ones that I have because they're expandable, and then you can zip them closed and they get tighter and you can fit so much more into your suitcase. It's the only way I was able to get me and Hayden in a carry-on. We went to Disney World for 3 days in November, but it's really helpful, especially when I'm trying to fit everything for us into these 2 suitcases, because you know, as a single mom in the airport, it's really all I can handle. I can't handle more than these 2 bags. So it helps to consolidate everything as much as possible.
I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination. You're far away and yet so close. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, you're up in space. You're inside the noise. I can feel you. Once you see.
Okay, we are all packed, except for like my toiletries, which I'm gonna put in tomorrow after like I shower in the morning. Construction site, spring delight. As great big trucks begin their day, warm sunshine melts the snow away. The cold gray days have finally passed. Hooray! Spring is here at last. The trucks start work, and as they do, here, lift it up. They find springtime surprises too.
No, they haven't been.
Skid steers pushing with her blade. Cement mixer pours concrete he's made. Side by side they're working strong. Lift it up. As Robin sang a springtime song. Crane truck swings his boom around and lowers his hook to the ground. He grabs the load, then lifts his boom and finds bright tulips all in bloom. Dump truck has a busy day, hauling tons of dirt away. Flatbed hauls her heavy loads through the site and on the roads. Honk honk, they greet the other trucks.
Honk, honk.
Honk honk.
Honk, honk.
Quack quack, call out some baby ducks.
I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be
Thank you so much for watching today's video. I will see you in my next one. Bon voyage, loves!